Let's explore the snap settings. Snap settings can be a huge time saver when understood and used properly. First, the grid snap can toggle the grid on or off. Snap to grid forces symbols and connection lines to automatically snap to grid points when turned on. Snap to object allows for snap points on other objects, like midpoints and endpoints, when turned on. Ortho mode is especially useful for drawing and constricts movement vertically or horizontally. Enabling Select Multiple Object mode allows multi-object selection, as by default, users are only able to select one object at a time without selecting Shift or Control. Object tracking can only be used when Snap to Object is on, and allows for easy alignment with snap points on other objects. Most snaps can either be used by themselves or in combination with other snaps.